안녕! 오늘의 먹방은 탕하고 Red Horse. Nakita ko sa TikTok na naghalo sila ng Red Horse tsaka tang, which is such a foreign concept to me. Kasi bakit mo ihalo ang juice sa beer? Huh? We're gonna go try. Right, Oma? Yeah. We have a glass. 근데 탕 얼마나 많이 넣어? 탕을 먼저 넣어? Ooh. We're supposed to just add the tang. Na grape flavor specifically yung ginamit nila. Ooh. I think okay na yan. Okay, dapat pala konti lang yung nilagay muna. Hindi, pwede nga ta. Look at that. It's so cute. Medyo nag-iba yung kulay niya. Cheers! Kailangan pa ng tang. Lasa lang siyang Red Horse. I think no. I think I'd just rather drink Red Horse and tang juice as chaser. Okay, yun lang. Bye!